Alright, this is truck 52. This is our brush truck, and in the summer it gets really dry where I live. And that means we have a lot of brush and wildland fires that come up. And when those calls come in, this is normally one of the first trucks that's going to leave the firehouse. Today I'm going to be showing you the siren system in it. So, going inside. Hop in, getting ready for the call. Keys are right here. Just pop in. Alright, so that annoying little buzzer turns on. There we go. So the siren system. This is the control panel right here. This is your lighting. So if you flip on 1, then it will just turn on the light bar. If you flip on 2, it has the light bar and the back strobe flashes, and on 3 everything turns on, light bar, front strobes, back strobes, it all. And if we want to hop out, we can look at that. As we can see, we got some side lights that come on. Here is the front lights. We have some inner lights on the headlights. There's the light bar again. And then if we walk on to the back here, you can see the 2 back lights flashing. This right here, this is our deck lights. And then this button right here, if we ever pull up to a traffic intersection and the light is red, we can actually turn it on and it will flash a special strobe on the top, which will make the light turn green. So I can go ahead and show you that. The camera doesn't show it for some reason, probably because it's a strobe, but it flashes really, you can kind of see it, but it's flashing several times, and that will actually make the traffic light turn green, which is kind of cool. Alright, now the siren. So we got the lights going. How do we work the siren? So we have a couple manual options. This is the manual siren. Which is kind of cool. Got your air horn. This is great for when you're going through intersections, or you're not using your siren but you want to have some sort of audible notification. Switch it to radio and actually use this to page, and you can page 2 other cars around you. Standby. Now this is whale, which you've pretty much already heard that. That's yelp and high-low. Now if you have it on whale and you push the manual button, it'll change the tone to yelp. That's really helpful when you're going through intersections and stuff, because if you're an emergency vehicle, you pretty much should always be changing your tones as you go through an intersection, and that helps other cars around you hear you. So I can go ahead and turn on the whale, and we'll go outside and really hear it. This is extremely loud, but yeah, here we go. And then when you want to turn everything off, you can just switch this back to standby, and then you can turn off your lights. And that is the siren system. All of our trucks have a couple different models of siren systems, but that's the one on 51. And then this right here, you can use this to page to dispatch, but it's on right now, so I'm not going to do that. Thank you for watching this video. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. I hope you learned something, and have a great day.